Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have Panasonic RB-HX220B headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two main reasons that you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not pairing with your device, or if they're not connecting or syncing to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're having any kind of connection or functionality issues that you're trying to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of these problems. You'll need to set them up again because everything will be wiped off of the device. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting these up on a new device or just any reason you want to get them back to the way they were when they came out of the box, we can go ahead and wipe everything off of them. It's very easy to do. All we need to do is make sure they've got a decent charge, and then we're going to turn them off. And then with them turned off, we're going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the LED indicator light flashes blue and red alternately. Once it flashes blue and red alternately, we can then go and press and hold the volume up button. This will take about 5 seconds. We'll press and hold it, the volume up button, for about 5 seconds until the flashing lights all turn off, at which point your headset is reset to its factory default settings.